Hello students, this is Preeti Damle, your English teacher. Students, today we are going to learn a new chapter called Expert Detectives, written by Sharda Dwivedi from The Broken Flute. Now this is the story of two siblings, Nishad and his 10-year-old sister Maya, who have always been inquisitive about their neighbor, Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath is a patient to their mother, who is a doctor by profession. Their mother had told them that he is a polite man. Nishad is also called Seven because his name meant the seventh note on the musical scale. One day, their marbles went inside his house, and Nishad got a chance to catch a glimpse of Mr. Nath. To Nishad, he appeared to be a poor and thin man who had no food to eat. He had a bad scar on his face and didn't have any friends. The two children were busy discussing their neighbor's mysterious ways. They argued about his financial wealth, how he manages his food, and so on. Nishad thought that he was poor and does not have much of money, while Maya believed that he had got a lot of it and had kept it hidden somewhere in his room. Then it was Mr. Nath's scar that bothered the children. They thought that he might have got during a shootout with the police. On their mother's birthday, Nishad went along with her to the clinic. He happened to see Mr. Nath there. He was worried seeing Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance. That evening, Nishad went to his place and gave a bar of chocolate to Mr. Nath. Nishad befriended Ramesh, the boy who used to bring food for Mr. Nath from the nearby restaurant. Ramesh informed Nishad that Mr. Nath had 2 meals a day and tea in the morning and evening. His meal was the same every day and always used to pay in cash and tipped very well. He brought 2 lunch on Sundays, and it was the same visitor he found there. The visitor was a tall, stout, and spectacled man who talked a lot, while Mr. Nath was a quiet person. The children were thrilled and they were discussing the possibilities of Mr. Nath being a crook. Their school opened after the summer holidays the next day, but they could not attend it because of the heavy rains. Nishad was busy reading his comics when Maya informed what she had done. She had made a note of everything they knew about Mr. Nath, calling them facts, and gave a number to each one of them. Nishad disagreed with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a criminal. He felt bad for him for having no friends. While Maya thought that the visitor who used to come to his place on Sunday may be his partner who knows all the secrets and maybe the loot as well. Both the children had an argument, and Nishad was upset with Maya for calling Mr. Nath a crook. Nishad was only interested in finding out why Mr. Nath was so thin and lonely. He wanted to be his friend, and Maya's theories didn't have any impact on Seven. Thank you.